Hello everyone, this is Nozair Mirza from Delhi, Pakistan. Today we are going to unbox Huawei Nova 3i. Let's have a look at the box. At the front we can see Huawei Nova 3i visual brand. On the side we can see the color and memory detail, which is 128 GB built-in storage. The smartphone is available for Rs 39,999. Let's unbox this device. First thing we can see in the box is envelope-like box with warranty card, SIM injecting tool, quick start guide and screen protector. Then we can see a Huawei Nova 3i in nice two-tone color, which we will discuss in a while. Firstly, we will be looking at the stock accessories which are in the box. Silicone case, charging cable, charger with 5V 2A rating, and earphones. On the right side of the device is home for volume rockers and power button. The left side of the device there is a SIM tray. The bottom of the device shows speaker grill, micro USB charging port, a microphone and a headphone jack. Let's quickly set up the phone and see how it functions. Let's quickly try fingerprint sensor. The sensor is very responsive as compared to the other smartphones in this price range. Nova 3i comes with the Face ID. Let's have a look at this feature. The screen gives a vivid and crisp display which is quite impressive. The phone comes with Android Oreo 8.1 with customized EMUI 8.2 and a battery of 3340 mAh. Nova 3i features a 6.3 inches full view display and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and a notch on the top. There is an earpiece grill and a dual 24+2 megapixel front facing camera. Let's talk about its most highlighted feature, that is the camera. Huawei has introduced Q emoji in this device. The AI-powered 3D Q emojis learn and animate your facial expressions, movements and voice to generate personalized Q emoji, GIFs or videos, adding more fun to your messaging. Time to discuss its back camera, which is 16+2 megapixel. The color contrast and saturation in the pictures are up to the mark. The system on chipset Nova 3i is powerful, a proof of which is seamless execution of high-end games and applications simultaneously due to its octa-core Kirin 710 processor. You can also hide the notch in this phone to enhance your UI experience.